I believe that the self credit builder account is accurate. A lot of times, too, some people are getting late payments because they're not paying and they're reporting late, but they are accurate, you guys. If you guys are not paying on time with this, they're going to report you late if you guys are more than 30 days late. I think that they are very accurate, and I believe that they're going to definitely help you boost your credit score if you guys are paying on time. Now, what I don't think is totally accurate is their credit score. Sometimes you guys see a credit score there. Don't always take that credit score seriously, but it can be a credit score that you guys could go based off of just to see where you guys are kind of at. Think of it at like a Credit Karma credit score. Now, this question can mean different things when it comes down to accuracy. Like I said too, you want to get a credit score when you guys log into your self account. That credit score could be lower than I mean, not lower. That credit score could actually be higher than your FICO credit score. But I always tell people just use that credit score just to see if that credit score go up. Because if that credit score go up, then you can kind of think your FICO score is going up. And accuracy in terms of those late payments. If you guys are getting late payments with them, they want to report you guys late. Try to make sure you guys have your account set up on auto pay and you guys are paying it. Period. Like just have that as something that you guys do.